Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to another video. We're going to keep this video short, the weekly analysis, because I have discussed everything, every possibility, every structure in the the pre-budget move video, right? If you haven't seen it, please do watch it again. All details, it will be cleared for you and why this fall had come, right? Why this fall had come and what ideas do we have going forward. All that is explained in extreme detail. If you have not watched that video, please watch it again. Now, in this video, what I'm going to do is just a slight revision of the ideas we have. What are the possibilities for next week going ahead? What happened last week? How we almost caught this swing here, and also this swing, right? So all these moves, how did we catch? Again, let me tell you, everything is because of Elliot Wave Master Course. If you have not studied that, it's not worth it to watch this video further, because everything I discuss, all the price action, everything is based, all the theories taken from the Elliott Wave Master Course. Now, after that, we'll discuss the vibration level intraday. Someone had a doubt on Friday, and I had a slightly lengthy chat with that individual. So we'll discuss about what is intraday vibration level, how to read it. Next, the time zones we'll see for Monday and the weekly. What happened here, exact bottom, right? How did we catch this? Explanation of the weekly vibration level. All right. So getting into the structure now, right now, looking at the market, I don't know how many people remember, but I told that the starting of this move here was a three-wave pattern, right? This is a three-wave pattern. And when this sort of move happens, price has to come back to the starting point once again, because this is start of a correction only. All right. This is start of a correction. At this structure here, this is what we expected happen. It came very fast, and this fast move also 28th itself, right? This is more than what we expected, because the fast move we expected to come after 23rd, it came on 21st itself. We had one date of 21st where we wanted to look for a minor swing higher or low. What market did was it did both. It made a swing low, also made a swing high in the market. What we planned later was very simple. It was not very complicated at all. This is one of our FRVP zones. Market rejected exactly from there. Going on the bottom side, market in the live market, I think I updated this. We had another FRVP zone when price was falling here. If I go down to a smaller time frame, you can see that I marked an FRVP zone here, right? So again, FRVP zones, what is this profiles? I have uploaded two videos, one for identifying swings and how to use the levels. Then the next one was to identify traps. So you can apply it for however you want, but without the knowledge of Elliott Wave Master Course or advanced concepts, you are not going to find FRVP helpful, because that is the higher level of analysis. Okay. So this entire move, which started from here, and this move, I explained it is because this was an ABC pattern. We were looking for a swing low here. I think this is what I shared in the Telegram group. Sometimes I don't need to tell you guys. I just told I need to see a low risk setup. So at this point, if market is falling and a low risk setup here simply means that we are looking for a bullish signal in the market. There were some slippages here, but again, 20 to 981. This was a weekly vibration level, and in the live market, I updated that this is going to be the bottom of the week if it is held, right? If it is held, it is going to be the bottom of the week. Beautiful price action, nice bounce in the market. So we got the swing low also here. Going upwards here, there was a confluence of many FRVP zones here. Many. This is one of them. There was another one here. This one, old one, is also there. So there's so many FRVP zones. This is what I updated in the market, that if bulls want to go higher, they have to be very powerful to break all these levels at once. They have to be very powerful to break these levels. But what happened was, in case market is going to reverse, we had two options left. We had 23 to 35. One of the method I gave, again, all these messages are there in the live market for a short setup plan I gave. Okay. 23 to 35, 15-minute closing. Right. 15-minute closing with small SL. That will be a short setup. Okay. In case sudden fall triggers. Next one, was second setup was simply our vibration, intraday vibration level, right? This is only 10 points away, 23 to 25. This also gave us a good setup. Now, going forward, let me just look at the plan again, which we had earlier. We had the plan of looking at the market in short scenarios. Sorry, short setups. Market can make an A wave, a B, C, D, E, a wedge type pattern towards the end of the month, right? Towards the end of the month before budget. This was one of the patterns available we had. Next one was if this is an irregular flat pattern. This is your A, B, C, right? If this is your A, B, C, then we are most likely to see a very fast fall down near 22,600 or possibly 400 also, 400 to 600 zone approximately. We are likely to see a fast fall. But what did I tell you? That internal wave of C here, it should be either impulsive, right? It should be impulsive or in a diagonal form. Diagonal is nothing but your wedge type pattern, right? This is the most common forms, or it's usually a pump and dump, something like that. These are the most common patterns. Here it's very clear the market started as an ABC pattern and it kept going like that. ABC pattern, and this is also an ABC form of an ABC here. So basically, if you take this as A, B, A here, expanded flat B here, this is your C. C came here minor. So this entire thing is your ABC pattern. Because it's an ABC pattern, I cannot consider this as an irregular flat. So I have only one option left right now to think in case of a bearish setup is market does something like a wedge pattern on the downside. Any surprises, we are welcome. No issues for us. This is the current scenario we have right now. On the bullish side, there is one scenario. How are we going to plan for that? Is very simple. We want market to make a higher low first, like this. Okay, higher low. The reason why I'm telling you this is because you see this three-way falls. These three-way falls are nothing but sometimes very, they give a very shocking moves in the market. Like the last time I highlighted this point to you guys was here. Three-way patterns are coming in the market and market is making a bottom. So same thing if it happens here. If market wants to make a bottom here, three-way pattern, market will try to do something like this by the end of the month. So in that case, what are we looking for? One of the two things. For a long setup, we will look for an lower, higher low, and then up move like this. Very simple. No complications, very simple in that. Or we will look for weekly vibration level for swing traders. Intraday traders don't need to worry because you will follow only the intraday levels regardless. Okay. So these are the two scenarios I am looking for in a long setup. We have planned for a long setup. Short setup, we are already active right now. To change it is obviously we have to wait for the structure to change. Right? We cannot decide when the market is going to move. Market moves, then we change our plans. All right. Simple as that, nothing complicated. I hope you want more analysis, more detail, every turning you want to understand, go to the the pre-budget move video. It's nearly 20 minutes plus. I have explained everything using time cycle, historical time cycles, right? Do study that. You will understand that video very clearly. If you do that, if you understand that video, I told you in the beginning of the video, if you understand that video, you don't need anything else. You're sorted till the month end clearly. Okay. So right now, this is what I'm looking for. I told you if there's a sudden crash in the market next week, I'm looking for 22,457 as the monthly low. Okay. If there is a sudden crash, I don't expect it. I don't expect nearly 600 plus points to fall in next week. But again, if there is a sudden crash, I'm talking about pre-budget crash, whatever, or sudden shock, whatever it may be, right? So two options we have, bullish and bearish. I've discussed that. What to look for, what not to look for is very simple. Levels will be updated in the live market as usual. Don't worry about that. Now, intraday. This is going to be a little bit harsh. I'll be a little bit indirect and harsh because on Friday, what happened was one gentleman, one of the members, he's obviously a new member. What he's done is 23 to 25. If you have seen the message of the vibration level, what I've done is I always post the vibration level, and there are many levels. Okay. First, what we need to do, I've explained this in every single video. Every single video. What you need to do is first identify which is the vibration level. How do you identify that? Whatever levels we have, okay. For example, for tomorrow, Monday, right? So we have so many levels. Same thing, we had so many levels, I removed them. The upside, so many levels, downside were there, I removed them. Right now, what you need to do is first identify which level is active. Let price come and test, touch any one level exactly in this time zone. So if you see the previous, this is the Friday intraday level, right? So Friday 9:39 a.m. 4-minute chart. I keep telling you, we are using a 4-minute chart on Nifty. Okay. If you don't have a 4-minute chart, use a 5-minute chart. It's up to you. This level, price has to touch. Wait for price to touch any one of the Gann levels. Only then that will become a vibration level. For example, here it did not touch 9:39. It did not touch any level. So there was no setup, no vibration level, no setup. Second time point, time zone 12:55. Price touched 23,000 to 25 level. So this became our vibration level. Very simple. So what is the message? If market is above this, we'll look for a bullish setup. If market is below this, we'll look for a bearish setup. What did the market do? It sustained below it and went down. So what this individual did was he thought again, assumed that if market closes above this, we have to take CE. If market closes below it, we have to take PE. So this candle closed above it. So he took CE. And at 3 o'clock, at this point, he messaged me asking, what do I do? Hold or take an SL? Take the exit. Should I hold or exit? At 3 o'clock. Right. So I asked him, why did you take this thing? He was a very polite gentleman. He's very polite, a very good guy also. He asked me, sir, I did not understand the concept of vibration. No issues. I'll explain it. I keep telling in every video, leave your comment, all your doubts, I'll explain. Any doubts you have, I'll address it in the next video. No issues with that. But since there was no doubt so far, I had no urge to explain it, but still I explain it in every video how to use the vibration level. Okay. What he's done is he said he has learned from some leading institution in Chennai, right, about this price action trading, where they told him if price closes above this, take a C. If price closes, candle closes above any level, that is the time you have to take CE. If price closes below it, you have to take PE. Using that concept which he learned from them, he applied it here. Okay, he applied it here, and he has been holding that CE for till 3 o'clock. I don't know why. No risk management, but again, that is not the issue. I'm not targeting him. I'm just telling in generally what happens with many retailers who go to learn trading. You cannot learn trading. I'm telling you, you can learn analysis. You can learn trading. You can't learn trading. 80% of the game is analysis. 20% of the game trading. How many times you've heard me told this? Analysis is the key. Trading is nothing but just blind execution. That's all. You just have to click the button on mouse. Trading. That's all. It is nothing much. Analysis is 80% of the syllabus. You are studying only 20% of the syllabus. You are going to fail. Anyone who's doing this. All right. So I told him one thing, go and ask your mentor or guru, whatever, in your that institution from where you learned, why their concept failed here. Why their concept failed. He told me that CE above, you have to take in PE below. So I asked him again, did you take PE? Did you take a put option when the market started falling? He said no. He said he did not have an answer to that. I don't understand what to do now. See, guys, he also told me he's a family man, he's married, kids, and all that. Everyone has issues. Right? Retailers are not some God-given people. All of us are strugglers. All of us are hard workers. All of us save money for our families. We have plans, goals for them. Everything we do, especially nowadays, the grown-up adults, is for the future generation, right? So if you are serious about saving money and keeping that, it's smarter decision. It's a very smart decision to first understand the concept, then practice in a demo account. Then if you feel you're confident and you have done it, you're successful, a positive outcome, go for live trading if you think you are confident enough. Okay. This individual did not understand. He took a put option, he took a call option here, and he's been holding it till 3 o'clock. And he's asking me on WhatsApp whether I should exit or hold. Everyone knows that I don't answer those such questions. I don't entertain such questions. I don't give buy sell signals. But again, if this is still case with you guys, I want you to drop a comment. What issues you are facing? Let me address it to the best of my knowledge into your trading. If you have any doubts based on this, tell me. Okay, in the method we follow, because last week almost I think I shared these levels for 3 days. All three out of 3 days, we had 100+ point move for safe traders, right? I don't expect the safe traders as in the person who can hold for a small target, small capital, small target in their demo account. If you don't understand how to trade, don't go for live market, please, guys. And I don't hint, I don't suggest, I don't what do you say? Directly, I don't tell you. Indirectly, I'm not hinting you to directly go and trade in the markets and all that. No, I'm telling you very clearly, trade in demo account. This is a different concept. And what you learn from somebody else, don't come and apply it here, because everything I do is totally different. It's based on structure of the market. Okay. Everything on based on Elliot Wave Master Course. You have to study that if you want to join with me or study what the analysis videos I'm giving you, because nobody has given you the bottom here. Nobody. 22,981 level. I know there are people who have changed this level to 990, sorry, 22 980. I know people who have changed this level to 22 989 990, right? Some 10 points they have upside downside, they've changed it and they've give it in their private groups. I know what people have done, right? I don't have to highlight it. These people are still watching my videos, still sending messages. There are still some students of mine who are doing all this stuff. They made private groups. They have studied from me. Still, they don't understand the concepts because they didn't put their effort. They wanted for they what I don't know why they studied it. They're still opening private groups. They're selling courses or doing some shit like that. Honestly, the advanced concepts people, those who are seriously working hard, one of them has easily identified this pump and dump scenario, right? Everything is market structure, guys. I've been telling this so many times. So many times. Everything is market structure. And every week out of week, I've been trying to guide to the best of my ability. Okay. Going forward, if you don't understand anything, don't be a fool. I'm telling you, don't be a fool, because markets don't care who you are, how many kids you have, if you have married or not, if your family you're taking care of elders, sisters, brothers. Market does not care. Don't be an emotional fool to think that market will respect all that. There's no point. Anyone, I'm telling you, there's no point telling me, because all of us have problems. Okay, as a human being, especially in India, growing up, the structure of the education system, whatever you want to call it, we all have problems. All right. There's no point telling there's no use if I make this video and tell you my problems. Okay. There's no point for you to come and message me about your problems. I can only connect with you if you put the effort. Every single video I'm telling you, study the Elliot Master Course, study the Elliot Master Course. Again and again, people are messaging me and asking me advice. Study the course, guys. It's a free thing. You guys don't understand the power of it. Going forward, I don't want to waste more time. 4 minute chart, Nifty for Monday. What are we looking for? Simple. We have first time zone at 12:19 p.m. Different Gann levels again. What we're going to do is very simple again. Wait for price to touch any level exactly in this time zone. Okay. 4 minute chart again. After it touches, suppose, for example, it touches this level 23,130. Example, I'm just saying, if it touches this level, Again, this is an example, don't get confused. If it touches this level, after this, what happens? Market sustains above it or below it. This is used for telling us a bias. So it gives us a bias near this time zone. If market is sustaining below it, it is not a reversal mechanism, guys. Don't forget. Don't think it is for reversals. No, it can be continuation also. For example, the Friday's move, right? We had a fall before it. Market went sideways. What happened after that, right? So don't confuse. It's about a reversal. It's not reversals. It's very simple, guys. You have to study again market structure if you really want to decode how to in advance. If you want to, what is that? Capture the most. For example, Friday again, I'll tell you this is a pump in the market. If this is a pump, we know this is going to be a dump. That is why in the live market, I gave you two scenarios for short setup plan. You can check in the Telegram group. I gave two plans for short setups, right? For long, I said wait and watch, right? So there is a reason why I gave two for this, because this is a pump in the market. Minimum, this has to retest this level, right? So anyway, yeah. So Monday, simple guys, note down these levels, take a screenshot, whatever you want, and keep it with you. Monday morning, 12:19. Sorry, Monday noon, just exactly mid noon, high noon, 12:19 p.m. Which level market tests? Based on that, we can identify the bullish and bearish scenario, bearish plan for intraday traders only. All right. For swing traders, I'll update the levels in the Telegram group tomorrow morning or tonight. Right now, I don't have the levels. I have not calculated the levels. This is just an example of what happened last week. Last week, what did we have? We had the fall in the market came very fast on 21st, and we had 21st last hour to 22nd first 30 minutes, right? First 15 minutes. This was a time zone. And market in the live market, I came and told you this is a vibration level. Bullish above it. If this is held, we will get the bottom of the week, and we got the bottom of the week here, right? This is, I think, very few times in my studies, which I'm trying to do, is I'm trying to capture exact high and lows of the week, of the month, of the day, or what, something like that, through calculation, at least mathematically. That is what I'm trying to do. And whenever I share it in public, it does not happen. It does not work. This, I think, is a very rare time where this has happened. Let me tell you, it works for me when I'm keeping it private, right? It works like 60 to 70% hit rate if I keep it private. But as soon as I tell it public, it does not work. I don't know why. But yeah, it happens sometimes. Anyway, so this is one of the first times where exactly we got the bottom, and I didn't tell in advance. I told exactly at this point. So maybe I'll try that next time. Anyway, going forward, guys, simple concept is very simple. We wait for price to, for any time zone, we wait for price to come here in the time zone. What level market touches, based on that level, if it sustains above it, we'll look for a bullish setup. Sustains below it, we'll look for bearish setup. This is the power of vibration level, guys. It is not random. First thing I'm telling you, all the people who are watching for the first time or whatever, these levels are not random. They have some mathematical power. They have some power in nature, because for example on Friday, it's not random that price came and touched exactly this level on 12:55 p.m. candle, right? It is not random, guys. This is some mathematical, something is happening, some force is happening. That's what I'm telling you. Okay, that's all I can tell you. Anyway, I hope you understand, guys. Don't take my words a little harshly. Many people are there, new learners and all that. But take this, if you're in the game of trading, take it very seriously. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be a fool. Again, I'm telling you, market wants people who wants to make money fast. Let me repeat that statement again. Market wants people who want to make money very fast. If you're someone who wants to make money very fast, then yeah, market wants you. Why does it want you? Because it will take the money from you. Simple as that. I have seen so many people, guys. I've spoken to so many people. That is why I'm freely, openly telling you, unless you have positive outcome system, don't put live market, put money in the market. There is no hurry to earn from the market. You will lose it again. And I have so many people who have come to me who have lost huge amounts of money. Then they tell me, I want to learn. I want to learn. Then there, tube light will start getting activated. So those who are new, please understand, all of us have already made mistakes so many years back, and now we are standing here after the commitment of learning. Okay, so learn from us first, then you do your own thing. All right, see you guys in the next video. Again, let me point you towards the next video. Watch the again pre-budget move video. You will understand all the scenarios we're looking for in the market, the details, right? The detail structure, the targets, everything is there. All right, thank you guys. Next video, I hope you will change your attitude towards trading. Thank you and see you again.